Unforeseeable misfortune. All birds chirping as they fly freely. Skies are painted with blue and white. People hiding inside their homes. The earth that was suffocated can breathe now. Little do we know that this day would come. No more gatherings, but increasing cases and deaths. No more parties, but cries of the children echoes at night. No more waking up early, but boredom and stress devours the minds. It seems like someone just pressed the stop button. Cars, trains, and buses can be seen no more. Crowds in the streets all vanished, hoping to be safe against the enemy. It would never be the same when this pandemic ends. All must learn from the past to make the present right. Look at the things which matters the most. Life is too short, so don't take it for granted. After all, it is when our eyes will realize we have one earth to take care of. We are all connected to each other. That God never forsakes us and loves us unconditionally.